In this video, I'll show you how to change experience icon in Roblox. Now what you want to do is you want to head over to roblox.com, log into your account, and after that press on create. This will take you to the creators hub right here, and what you want to do is you want to click on creations. From in here select any of your creations. I only have one and this is the one I'll change. So I'll click on it. Then you want to click on places. Click on it again, and from in here you should see one that says icon. Now when you select this one, you'll have the option to have a placeholder image, which is the default one, or an auto-generated image, or you can simply upload your own by clicking on image and press change. Now keep in mind it must be a square icon, as well as it needs to be either one of these formats. Now press change and select the image you want to change it to and press save changes. After that you can reload your screen and it will have the new icon. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.